Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you a quick room tour of where I am staying here at Ho Chi Minh. So the hotel's name is EMM Hotel Saigon. So I almost forgot it. So let's start. Okay, so let's start. So we have here the access card, magnetic access card to open the door, and here uh, we have the cabinet. So it has an automatic light that will light on once you open the door. So we have here the safety box, and then there are two pairs of bathrobes. Then there's like a vanity mirror here, and then there are some shelves and drawers where you can keep some things. Okay, so they have here laundry bags in case that we needed laundry service. Then there are slippers, and then not sure what this is. Okay, so this is the blower. It's kept here, the hair blower. Okay, see, so it automatically lights off. And then here, my camera is having a hard time focusing. Anyway, here we have the teas, noodles, and other stuff. So we have here shower cup, vanity set, and some, I'm not sure if what this is. Okay. So it's just a towel, small towel, and then some noodles. I'm not sure if this part of the accommodation. Of course, we have here a water heater, some coffees. I think this is for free. And then those are just my things. And then we have here the mini bar or the refrigerator. It's already turned on, so there are food inside, which I believe are not for free. So, and then of course here's the area where you can leave your luggage and then your shoes. And then we have here a simple working desk, TV, and then here a sofa just for sitting. And then we have here our view. So I think that's our office right there. And then yeah, this is the bed. Yeah, it's just a simple bed. Then of course there's a side table, and we have here the bathroom. So here the sink, and then we have here some shelves, and then we have a shower, and then here we have towels, and then I believe this is the toilet. Oh, okay, so it's a toilet paper. Okay, so that's it guys. So that's my room. This is where I'm going to stay for a week, and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and the lighting here is perfect. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next vlogs. Bye.